In this video, I will discuss the comparison between Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro versus ZTE Nubia Red Magic 7S Pro. The first time that was announced was that Asus followed ZTE, while the new release was ZTE. And first I will compare the body, and here we know that ZTE is more portable than Asus. And here we know lighter ZTE. While the material for both is the same. Next, the SIM is the same, but for the water resistance, the winner is the ROG phone. Second, the comparison of smartphone display. Here the types are both AMOLED. Furthermore, the ROG phone's refresh rate is higher at 165 Hz. Next, for the size of the body ratio is larger Red Magic, while for the resolution that is bigger ROG phone. ROG phone already has a better screen protector than the Red Magic. Time to talk about platform. Here, both have Android 12 OS. The same goes for the chipset. Next, the CPU is the same. So is the GPU. This time switch to memory. Neither of them have a card slot. As for the internal memory, the Red Magic is bigger. And the RAM is the same. Likewise with its UFS, which is 3.1. Time to talk about the camera. And from the two comparisons, it can be concluded that the result of the main camera are better Red Magic, as well as the selfie camera. The winner is Red Magic. Next, the camera features are the same. As for the main camera, video won by Red Magic. While the selfie camera video results are the same. Furthermore, the loudspeaker was won by ROG phone. And they both have an audio jack. Furthermore, for battery capacity, the winner is the ROG phone. As for fast charging, the same. Next, about the Wi-Fi connection. Where both the here are the same. For Bluetooth, the winner is ROG phone. For GPS, the winner is the ROG phone. Here, both have NFC. And both have no infrared port. Video is also equally absent. The ROG phone has two USBs on the side and bottom. Then switch to network. Both support the use of dual SIM. With nano SIM card type. And here it supports 5G, but everything is just more complete with Red Magic. Next, move on to feature. Both have the same fingerprint. But the Red Magic sensor is more than the ROG phone. Next, for colors, there are many choices for Red Magic. And it's time for the Antutu comparison. The winner is Red Magic. And finally, the issue of price. And here is cheaper Red Magic than ROG phone. So, let's look at the following conclusion. And the winner is ZTE Red Magic 7S Pro.